Series Virginia is for Lovers 200 on Speed Channel. Rain has hit the East Coast all day today.
Playing NASCAR for the first time in 50 years in the state of Ohio. Speed Channel's coverage of the NASCAR Truck Series pre-race show is presented by Craftsman. A slightly over.
Fair Park is the site of the Milwaukee Mile. Over 100 years of racing continues tonight. Speed Channel's coverage of the NASCAR Truck Series pre-race show is presented by Craftsman. It's been unseasonably hot here today.
Over. Even if you're a new NASCAR fan, you've heard of Talladega. Will Ferrell turned it into a household name. Drivers turn this track with white knuckles. It's pure adrenaline, and we bottle it for you. Get ready to be set up. And welcome to the setup. I am Krista Voda. What a big sports weekend in Alabama. College football always big. This is my tribute to Bear Bryant, Roll Tide. And of course, to be fair, Auburn, War Eagle. But now let's get serious. We are here to talk racing and